Hi everyone, this is Marina, and I'm here to show you how to keep your Zoom meetings secure. I already created a video showing you how to change your settings within Zoom to ensure that before you schedule a meeting, you have all the right settings to keep your meeting secure. If by chance you're in a meeting and a participant you realize is not supposed to be there, there's a few options for you. So I'm going to go ahead and I already have a Zoom meeting running. So I'm going to minimize this. So this is my Zoom meeting right now. You can see on the right side, I have my participant window and I have my group chat. I can actually toggle what I see on the right side there. So if you look at the bottom, manage participants, if I click on that, the participant window will disappear. If I click on chat, the chat window will disappear. So it's up to you what you like to have up there. Having those two windows to the right allow me to see what people are talking about and see who is in my meeting. So right now you'll see that I have one person in my waiting room. So Allie is waiting there. She's not getting any of this information. She's not hearing me. She's not seeing whatever I put up on the screen. So she's currently waiting. The nice feature is that down here in the group chat, I can actually send a message to everyone in the waiting room and tell them that I'll be there in a minute or whatever the case may be. And I can also send a message to anyone who might be in the meeting. So those are sort of two separate conversations I can have if it's necessary. So today I'm having a meeting with Allie, so I'm going to admit her. I know she was supposed to come in today to my meeting. So now Allie is in my meeting, and since she is the only person that I'm expecting to come into my meeting today, I'm going to go ahead and at the bottom of this participants window where it says more, I'm going to go ahead and lock the meeting. So when I lock the meeting, no new attendees can join. So even if they have the link that I sent out, even if they have the password to this meeting, they are not going to be able to join. So right there, I'm ensured that the only two people in this meeting will be myself and Allie. If for some reason I question whether Allie is supposed to be here, I have some options. Right? I can put her back in the waiting room. So if I don't want to completely remove her, but for some reason whatever she's saying is inappropriate, I can send her over there. I can write in a message, hey, I sent you to the waiting room because I just wanted you to know that such and such was inappropriate and I'd like you to refrain from saying things like that, whatever the case may be. So that's an option. If I send someone to the waiting room and then realize, you know what, I do not want them to return, I can hit that remove button and she will be kicked out of my meeting. So the way I set my settings before I even scheduled this meeting, if I remove someone, they will not be allowed to re-enter. So even though she has the link, even though she has my password, she will not be able to come back into this meeting. So keep that in mind when you remove someone, they will not be able to come back if you have that setting. So between the lock feature, the send to the waiting room feature, and the remove, you should be able to manage your participants within a meeting during a meeting so that you can keep the meeting appropriate. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a wonderful day, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.